In front of me is Honor View 20, and today I would like to show you how you can change and customize your keyboard theme. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling all the way down to access System and Updates. Then click on Language and Input, SwiftKey Keyboard, and Themes. Finally, you can click on Gallery or Yours at the top, click on the best keyboard for you to apply it, and go back. As you can see, after that, theme of mine has changed. If you wish to customize it with a photo, go back to the same settings and click on Custom. Then select Start, tap on Add Image, and hit Allow. Finally, pick one of those photo sources, in my case Gallery, and tap on any photo that you wish to apply. In my case, this one. Then select this check mark at the top right corner to confirm your choice. Now you can pinch your photo to scale it and drag it to move it. Adjust background darkness thanks to this slider at the bottom. And when you finished, hit Done. Now adjust key borders and symbols by clicking on those two switchers. And when you finished, hit Done at the top right corner. As you can see, after that, theme of my keyboard was successfully customized with an image. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!